I think this baby wants to be taken home. So my mission today is to visit a Husky cafe in Bangkok. I'm coming all the way from North Thailand. This is my first time flying after almost a couple of years staying at home most of the time because of COVID-19. So COVID-19, F you, it's time for revenge travel. As for you, AirAsia, it's time to sponsor my next flight. So finally, I'm here at the Husky Cafe, TrueLove, Neverland. Yep. So we just got passed by their very strict procedure when it comes to cleaning your hands, when it comes to making sure that you wear protective shoes or plastic, actually. Plastic, there you go. And then we're gonna be washing our hands another time when we get inside, so. There you go. Here's my pretty date for today. And she actually just got off work and she was nice enough to pick me up. Yay! So here we are with the doggies. Thanks for taking me here. Very fashionable shoes. That's Louis Vuitton. Been wanting to come here for a long time. He doesn't care that I'm here. Come on. Ta-da! How come they're playing with them humans? They don't like me. Hi. They don't love me. No. Yes, there they are. I'm gonna be playing with them a little later, but I'm just kind of hungry, so I'm gonna eat. I think this is chicken pad kapao, and this one is orange coffee. Oh, pad kimao. I'm sorry. Yep, I thought it was pad kapao because of like the basil and chili. It's actually good, and yeah, spicy. So yeah, like I was saying, they're very strict about hygiene. So when we got inside, wash our hands and then alcohol. And yep, it is annoying to have to wash your hands again and again. But of course we understand the protocols. It's for us, it's for the other guests, it's for the dogs as well. So we wash our hands outside. After washing, we needed to spray alcohol, and we had to use plastic bags for our shoes. And then after coming up here, we had to remove our shoes and wear plastic bags for our feet as well. I'm very excited to play with the dogs, but I haven't eaten my lunch. That's why I had to eat first. And I have to say the food is really good, and the coffee as well. Little Husky! Yay! Hello! You must be McDonald. Are you McDonald? What are you eating, sir? Oh, ice.
Oh, this one is here.
What's his name?
Jackie.
Oh, Jackie. Hi, Jackie. Come here. McDonald's. I think this is McDonald's, right?
No more.
Oh, he's not here anymore.
Die already.
Oh, that's sad. Oh, hey, Jackie. Come here. Woo! That was a very nice welcome, huh? Hi. Hello. Come here, love me. Come on. Oh, hey. Hi. Oh my God. I said love me, not love, not make love. Hi. 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 Hey, Pupe. That's very ticklish. Hi. You're not shy on camera, huh? Aww. Hi. Lovely. That's it for today. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.